Good morning, students. In a previous video, we have seen the what are the test of significance, level of significance, null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis. In this lecture, we are going to see next point that are the student T test. We are seeing the test of significance, student T test. Student T test. It is assigned by the students of Sir William Gosset contributed the theory of a sample size less than the 30. One of the biostatistics or the statisticians that are developer test that are the Sir William Gosset contributed for theory sample size which having the less than the 30 number. The Gosset published his discovery in a 1908 by using a pen name student and famously known as a t-test. I have said that the Gosset used his test name as a student and it is a famous in a t-test. Most of the research methodology in a statistics that can be used for the t-test to check a significant or not a significant. There are two types of test, unpaired test and the pair test. Name inside pair and the unpaired test. Assumption of a t-test. Before the saying that, we should know about the assumption. What assumption on the basis of a test are given? The parent population from which sample are drawn is a normal. Parent population from sample are drawn which is a normal. Then sample are randomly selected and independent. Sample are randomly selected and that are independent. The dependent variable are in an interval. The dependent variable are in an interval. The group have a equal variance. The population of standard deviation it is not known. That are the some assumption that given by the Sir Gosset William. Let's see what are the unpaired and the pair t-test. It is applied independent groups. It is applied independent groups having the equal or unequal sample size. First, meaning of unpair. Unpair that means not are pairing. It is independent. Pair means that are the dependent. It is applied to independent group having the equal or unequal sample size. T-test compare the data of two groups belonging from a same population or not. T-test having the ability to compare the data of two groups having the from a same population or a different. Cardiac patient versus non-cardiac patients. Okay. Cardiac patient versus non-cardiac patient. Then mean bone diversity, mean bone density amongst the two groups, 50 people each compare to each other since two groups are the difference. That are the parameter and the example of a unpaired t-test. Is that clear? That are simple. It is independent. It is applied equal or the unequal groups. T-test data can compare. T-test data compare two different group or the two same groups. Cardiac patient versus non-cardiac patient. Then mean bone diversity of two groups 50 people each compare to each other and since two different groups. That means mean density, mean bone density of 15 peoples of different groups. That are the unpaired test. And what are the pair test? The pair t-test is generally used when the measurement are taken from the same subject before and after the some manipulation such as the injection of a drug. That are simple concept are given in an unpaired t-test. We have make a independent survey that are the same population or the different population, but it is a dependent pair test. It is a dependent in that we have to dependent. If the one sample are selected, we have to make a survey after manipulation of some treatment or the some objection, such as the population are selected in test as compared to small groups of quantitative data, when data of each sample related to the spatial way, that are with the example we can select that. How we can select that? Let's see. Pair test determine the significance of the blood pressure before and after administration of a experimental pressure, that means experimental drug in the administration. That means simple concept are given. In unpaired test we have selected two different groups of a sample, that is a cardiac versus non-cardiac, but in that blood pressure, that are the parameter, and how are they manipulated? Firstly, blood pressure are measure of a same population, then drug are administered, then again blood pressure are measure. The birth weight of a newborn 50 smoker mother and the 78 mother are a non-smoker mother are compared. That are the some example of a peer t-test. In a one population we have select the same parameter. Okay, this is about the, that is the student t-test. The student t-test is discovered by the Sir William Gosset. Okay, Sir William Gosset, he's published his discovery in 1908 in using a pen name student, and it is a famously known as a t-test. Okay, that are the two types, pair test and the unpaired test. Okay, before the seeing that pair and unpair, we have see the assumption, that means why assume that test. That are the first assumption given by the Sir William Gosset. The parent population from which a sample are drawn are a normal. Parent population which sample are drawn, that should be a normal. Then sample randomly selected and independent. Sample are the randomly selected, that are the independent. The dependent variable are in a interval. The dependent variable are in a interval. The group having the equal variance. The population standard deviation, it is a not known. That are the assumption, or during the t-test we assume that character, then we see the types. Unpaired test, it is a independent test. It is actually not depend on the population or not depend to each other, having the equal or the unequal groups. T-test compare the two groups of belonging from the same or the different population. In this unpaired test, they are comparing the two groups, same population or the different population, such as a cardiac patient and the non-cardiac patient. Pair test, it is a dependent test. Okay, the pair test, it is a dependent test. When we are doing the measurement, we have to select the only one population, and that population we have to administrate any drug or the any treatment, and again measure that parameter. For example, blood pressure rate. Okay, blood pressure rate by the administration of a drug, again measure, and the comparing both two rates, that are known as a pair t-test. Birth of the weight of a 50 smoker mother and the 78 mother are a non-smoker, means a smoker. That are the comparative in one population we can measure. That are about the student t-test. If any problem related to the t-test, comment below the section. Thank you.